Job aids are simple, clear instructions on how to complete a task, also known as cheat sheets or quick start guides. Hi, I'm Anna from TechSmith, and today I'm going to show you how to create a job aid in a flash that will help save your customers time and improve their experience. Going through a long manual to complete a basic task can be frustrating and time-consuming. How do I complete that step again? But what if there was a one-page cheat sheet that gave your users a handy reference guide for common tasks? Today, I'm going to create one using Snagit. If you don't already have Snagit, there's a link for a free trial in the description below. Begin by taking screen captures of the steps needed to complete a process. Once you have all of your images captured, click on the Create button. Then select Image from Template. Scroll through the template options, then select the one that works best for your job aid. Then click Create. Now it's time to add your own touch. Drag and drop the images you captured into the drop zones. Change the colors to match your brand, and double-click on the text boxes to add your instructions. And just like that, you have a one-page job aid that is ready to share with the world. Now your customers have the info they need when they need it, and your support teams may thank you too. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching.